Welcome back to Kaliru Lux. I'm Yashvi Punia, and today we are reviewing the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS AMG line, your flagship SUV from Stuttgart. Well, the big question is, does the new AMG line styling, the subtle tech updates, and slightly bigger price tag make sense? Let's find out. Look at this giant SUV, over 5.2 meters of sheer road presence. Earlier, the GLS was pure luxury. Now the AMG line trim gives it a necessary dose of adrenaline. We get the sporty AMG front and rear bumpers with those larger, more sculpted air intakes. The side profile cleans up beautifully because Mercedes has painted the wheel arch cladding and side sills in body color. You get 21-inch AMG alloys, and here's a pro tip. Spec it with the night package, you black out the mirrors, the window lines, and those signature dark chrome grille slats. It instantly takes the GLS from elegant to stealth-well. Let's talk numbers. The AMG line now sits at the top of the standard GLS range. You can notice that the diesel variant only commands about a 1 lakh premium for the AMG style kit, while the petrol variant costs you 3 lakhs more. But the point is, for a relatively small bump, you get a visually massive upgrade. Slide inside and you forget the price entirely. This is pure indulgence. The new AMG specific steering wheel feels meaty and is a great connection point to the road. The AMG sports pedals and floor mats are subtle reminders of the sporty intent. But the real story of the GLS is the engineering. It's tuned for comfort, but with the AMG line you get larger perforated brake discs to stop the 7-seater in its tracks. It's effortless, silent, and when you put your foot down, it goes 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.1 seconds. That's ridiculous for a vehicle this size. Both the 3-liter inline 6-cylinder petrol and diesel are sublime, but the 450D is my pick for India. Why? Because 750 Nm of torque. That is monstrous pulling power that you barely feel or hear. And one last tech detail that shows Mercedes gets us: the transparent bonnet view on the 360-degree camera. It's not a gimmick, it's a necessary tool that lets you see exactly what's under the front bumper, perfect for navigating our infamous potholes and hidden curbs. So the final verdict on the Mercedes-Benz GLS AMG line is this: the standard GLS is the luxury SUV for the purist. The AMG line is for the new age buyer who wants that performance look. The changes are primarily cosmetic, but these are the changes that this SUV needed to match its aggressive pricing and its competitors. It is the definite king of the luxury 7-seater in India, and now it finally looks the part. That's the wrap for the day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kaliru Lux.